People depend on you when they are in crisis, and they look to you as a leader. If you are compassionate, honest, and respectful, this is a job for you. Hi, my name is Ruben Harms. I'm a constable for the Saskatoon Police Service. My role within SPS is uniform patrol officer. So the officers that you see on the streets or in the marked police cars, that's what I do. What my workday looks like is I come in, I sit into the parade room, I get my daily debrief from our watch commander. After that, I get my equipment. It includes the taser, my car, my naloxone, items like that. After that, I sign up my vehicle, I take it from the basement, I do my circle check for the vehicle. Once I am satisfied that the vehicle is ready to go, I sign in and make myself available for our dispatchers. With our dispatchers, they kind of run on their own schedule and they determine which calls I should go to. If I'm not being dispatched to a call, then I check my emails, I check my file work, I check my directives, and if I'm not doing that, then I just drive around enforcing provincial, criminal, and city laws. How I got into this profession was with my school resource officer. I was born in Haiti and raised in Calgary. In Calgary, when I was going to high school, I wasn't really sure what I really wanted to do for my career. I had a school resource officer that really inspired me to be a police officer. He was a very personable person, he was very approachable, and I thought that I would like to role model myself after him. With him, he recommended that I took the academic route to becoming a police officer and suggested that I take criminology or justice studies. With me, I chose justice studies, but I didn't go into it directly. I started off first in the service industry working as a cook, and it helped me with my professional skills, it helped me with my communication. It pretty much gave me life experience for becoming a police officer. Once I worked my way up in the service industry, I applied for justice studies through Lethbridge College, and they gave me the resources I needed to apply for corrections. Once I applied for corrections, it was pretty much just a natural progression from corrections to policing. What I love about this job is mainly my coworkers. They're a great bunch of people who I love working with. They make me laugh, they make me inspired, they make me want to come into work. Another thing I love about this job is the independence to investigate your own cases and your own independence to really decide what kind of police officer you want to be. The kind of training that you need to become a police officer in Saskatchewan is your grade 12 or equivalent and your first aid and AED training. The advice I would give a student who's aspiring to be a police officer is just be a responsible person. Get involved in your community, volunteering with any kind of organization within the community. Not everyone follows the same career path as I did. We have police officers who were first paramedics, some police officers who were first teachers, others who have been in other services such as computer sciences, psychology, the list goes on. People who are a good fit for this job are people who are leaders, people who understand right and wrong, people who like to be challenged, and people who like to learn. The advice that I would give to people who are part of our underrepresented group would be, don't let being part of an underrepresented group stop you from being a police officer. For Saskatoon, they are committed to diversity. Saskatoon is a diverse mosaic, and the police should match this community.